Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem, another another pattern problem. So let us see. So what is that pattern? So we will do the pattern like this. So it is like right angle triangle. So like this we have to print up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Right angle triangle. See? Right angle triangle. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let us write the code. So import java.util.star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in int n is equal to sc.nextInt. So now I will take for loop which starts with I is equal to 1 and it will travel up to n and I plus plus. Now I will take another for loop, so which is nested loop. So have take another loop. So it starts with j is equal to 1 and j should be less than or equal to I. So why I'm writing j less than or equal to I? You have to, like, you will get some doubt. Why I'm writing j less than or equal to I? Because when I is equal to 1, then it will come to this thing and j is equal to 1 and j 1. So j is equal to 1, right? So 1 less than or equal to I. So what is the I value? 1, right? So 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Then I will print 1 star. Then I will print 1 star. See, I'll explain. And after that, next line. So here we have to write only print system.out.out.println omega. So what will happen is when I is equal to 1, it will come here. When I is equal to 1, it will come here and it will travel from j is equal to 1 to I. So what is the I value? 1. So it will travel up to 1 to 1. So 1 less than or equal to 1. So here is the equal symbol, right? So 1 equal to 1. This condition satisfied and it will print 1 star. And it will and 1 star will be printed and come to the next line. And it will when after that the I value becomes 2. So when I value becomes 2, so j is equal to 1 and 1 less than or equal to I. What is the I value now? 2, right? So I value 2. So 1 to 2. So how many 2 stars? Like this 3, 4, 5 until n. If I give 5, so this is a 5, right? I will give 5. So until 5 times this loop will be executed. So I hope you understand the problem. Let us run it. So we got an error. where so the error is this thing. We did not comment this thing. So that's why it's giving error. So let us run this program again. So here we did not give int. So this is how compiler will help you out. So it will tell where you get errors. So there is no errors. And let us give 5. See, 5 stars. Or if you give 6, it gives 6 stars. Why? How? When I is equal to 1, so when I is equal to 1, it will travel to 1 equal to 1. And when I is equal to 2, it travel 1 to 2. When I is equal to 3, it travel 1 to 3. And when I is equal to 4, it travel 1 to 4. So 1 to 4, I value 4. When I value is 5, so it travel 1 to 5. So I hope you understand. So that's it, friends. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon, then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. And please subscribe to my channel also. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.